Hello?
Hi, Kimberly. It's Amber. How have you been?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah. I'm just getting back to you in regards to the electric meter that was installed at 135 Foxdale, DR. That's still your place, right?
What electric meter?
I'm sorry. It seems there might be a mix-up. Can you confirm your address for me?
That's my address, but this is an old established home. I don't know why there would be a new meter installed.
Do I have the right one now?
What do you mean? Who are you calling from?
I work with every single electric company in GA. My job is to go around and give information about the net metering program.
Okay. I know nothing about a new meter being installed. Nobody knocked on the door. Nobody notified me or anything. This house is 40 years old.
I understand your concern. It's definitely strange that you weren't notified about this. The reason for my call is to discuss the net metering program. This program could help you reduce your electric bill by up to 40%. Has anybody come by to talk to you about this upgrade yet?
No, that's what I'm just telling you. No. This is like
Okay. So in case you don't know.
But yeah,
I totally
I'm
get
all
why
about
you feel.
saving money on my electric bill, but I wish somebody would communicate other than poor you.
I totally understand. I'm really sorry to hear that. We just want to be able to give you the information to help. Do mornings or afternoons usually work better for a quick call?
I've got time now if you do.
We are super busy, but what day in the next day or so works best for you?
Let's see, what's tomorrow? Thursday? Morning would probably be best.
I have a slot available.
Go ahead.
I have a slot at 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Which one works better
10
for you?
10 a.m. would be perfect, Amber.
Perfect. I'll lock in that 10 a.m. slot for you. Can I confirm that your address is
Will it
still
be from this
135
number or what?
Yes, you should get a text asking to send a utility bill. This will just make this evaluation a lot faster. So you can text that number if anything changes.
Okay.
Great. I have all that I need, and thanks again. Please remember to be available when our expert calls to give you guys the information. Kindly mark that on your calendar, and you should also get a text asking to send a utility bill. This would just make this evaluation a lot faster. So you can text that number if anything changes.
Okay. Sounds great.
Great.
All right. Well, you have a lovely
so
evening. All right. I look forward to the call tomorrow.
Great.
Thank you
so much.
Bye-bye.